Hello guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to my kitchen. So guys, I'm baking banana cake slash bread. So in my bowl I have 6 ripe speckled banana, and I have 3-4 cup of sugar, some raisin right here, some dark raisin, and some gold raisin, and some cherries. I have 1 stick of butter. I have some heavy cream, some milk, egg, and this is flour with some spice. Um, and I have baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, mixed spice. Yeah, this is my all the ingredients in this flour, guys. And I'm gonna mash my banana, and also I'm gonna add some rose water, some rose and almond in there also. So let's mash these pickled banana. Yeah, they're so ripe. So I'm just mashing them, guys. So this is 6, as I said, 6 speckled ripe banana, and I was gonna use 4, but it makes sense to use all of it because they overripe. And this is what they look like. This is how I take them out the skin. They are so overripe, guys. So I'm gonna add my sugar, and this is a mixture of white granulated sugar and brown sugar. I'm gonna add the eggs, and I have a little tip of lime juice in my egg, guys. And I pick out the eyes. Caribbean people, we love to pick out the eyes of the egg. Add in my butter. So guys, I'm adding the vanilla. And I'm adding the rose and almond. So guys, I'm just gonna gradually add the flour, the dry ingredients, and mix it in. So guys, it's all mixed up. My banana, see, this is it right here. So I'm gonna add some of the raisin and the cherries, and I'm gonna leave some to go on top. So my oven is warming up, guys. So I'm gonna scrape it out. So I'm just gonna drop these on top right here. So I have some on the inside, some on top, but I feel like they're gonna go in the inside when it start baking. And I wash my fruits, guys. So this is it. And I grease my tin. So guys, this is the cake. Banana cake, guys. This is the cake, guys. And I'm gonna take it out. It's all cooled down and ready to cut. So guys, I'm gonna take it out. And there it is. And I'm gonna cut a slice. I'm gonna take it with me for somebody. I'm gonna give somebody a slice. There it is, guys. There's the pan. So I'm gonna give someone a slice. So guys, let's cut into the cake. There it is, guys. There it is. So guys, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Please like, share, and subscribe for more.